Weather forecasts predicts a few shower and wet flurries over the weekends. These wouldn't hinder you from taking part on these exciting events. The first event is the National Remembrance Day ceremony, happening this Friday, November 11th at 10:45 a.m. on the National War Memorial in Ottawa, and at the same time will be streamed live on TV and Facebook through the Royal Canadian Legion's Facebook page. Second on our list is the season's Christmas show 2022, happening this Friday, November 11th until Sunday, November 13th at the International Centre in Mississauga. The season's Christmas show will bring the local craft and maker community back together to create a unique shopping experience for guests looking to find gift inspirations. The third event is the Toronto Real Asian International Film Festival that started yesterday, November 9th, and is ongoing until November 20th in cinemas and online. This festival is a unique showcase of contemporary Asian cinema and work from Asia and the Asian diaspora. Works include films and videos by artists in Canada, the US, Asia and all over the world. Fourth on our list is Light Up Downsview, happening this Saturday, November 12th, 6 p.m. at the Downsview Airport. It will be an evening of illuminated wonder, as renowned Toronto artist Catherine Harvey uses drones flying in 3D formation to create ethereal magic in the sky. Last but not the least, there's the Fall Cottage Life Show, starting this Friday, November 11th, and will run until Sunday, November 13th at the International Centre of Mississauga. The Fall Cottage Life Show is Canada's largest cottage and outdoor living event. Your ticket to the Cottage Life Show will also give you access to the season's Christmas show.